Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. Today I was really fancy to have a Philadelphia steak sandwich, but I thought to myself, why we don't try and twist towards the Italian way of doing things? If you can please like, subscribe and share with friends and family if you think our content is worth it. Facciamo! Okay guys, first thing of the recipe, we need to prep our meat. I've picked some thin cuts beef and we're gonna just strip them as thin as possible in that way. We're gonna pane the beef with breadcrumb. Season the egg with some black pepper, some sea salt and a bit of Parmesan. Now we're gonna mix all together. And at this stage we can add all the beef into our egg mixture. We are not going to use any flour for this recipe. There we go. We can leave that up to 10 minutes room temperature just to get all the flavors combined. We're gonna get ready a nice tray like that with some breadcrumb. You can pick any kind of breadcrumb you want. I have got Panko here, I think it works the best. Feel free to use whatever you want. Go into the breadcrumb a bit at a time and then we're gonna shake. There we go, that's what we want, a light coat of breadcrumb on the meat. And we're gonna keep going until we finish all the meat. There we go. Our beef should look like that. And a good tip now, while we get ready all the ingredients, is to put that into the fridge until we are ready to fry. The reason why is because all the egg will stick properly to the meat and that will offer a better crispiness. Our second component to our sandwich is onions. I pick large white ones. For this sandwich, I will chop the onion very thin, but not like brunoise effect, just because I want them to cook fast, but still be a bit crunchy in a little bit of olive oil and butter. Just once. See? Place them in a container, in a bowl. Okay, we're gonna start our pan with extra virgin olive oil, some butter, medium-high heat. As you can see, I want almost like fry/poach the onion into the butter and olive oil mixture. That will get so much flavor into the onion. Okay, at this stage, onion in.
Panko solo!
We can blast the temperature right up. For now, no salt, no any kind of season apart from what is in the pan already. When the onions get this kind of color, they taste so nice, honestly. We are obviously gonna drain all the excess fat. I just need the fat to cook the onion. There we go. Cool down a little bit the mixture and then we're gonna drain all the excess fat. As you can see, look how beautiful are the onions. Just place everything on good quality kitchen paper. So at this stage it's time to fry our beef. For this station we need beef, hot oil and already a tray with some kitchen paper into it. We're gonna cook very hot and very fast because obviously the beef is already very thin and we just need to get the color and the crispiness of the panko. Okay, so don't overcook and don't cook with the temperature below 180 degrees because it won't work. It's time to fry. We want to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they look nice and golden brown like that. Once our meat is fully fried, I'll just go at the very ends with a nice pinch of salt to season the outsides. Nice shaky. Very important we remove the crumbs. The reason is because we need to put more stuff into the sandwich.
I like the way his mind works.
Some Goulded mayo. A little bit here, a little bit there. Ma sai che è? Oggi mi pure chissà, fra.
Non vale.
Se non tocca domani.
Were you gonna leave me without a sandwich?
Put as much beef as possible. Seal everything with our Emmental cheese. Wow, my friend, that the comprada che stamos spogliando a spada. Now, finally, it's time for us to taste our beautiful creation. Please let me know what you think about this version of Philadelphia steak sandwich in the comments. I hope you have enjoyed the video and see you on the next one.